Got my 2013 bike check, my premium Subway 2013. I got Duo Martinez grips in like 120 long, 120 millimeters. And then I got 8.25 rise handlebars, pretty big. Premium stem. Premium, hey buddy. Premium bar ends. What are you doing?
I was checking on
Oh, okay. Premium headset, premium forks, and a Jesus hub. No, actually it's not. It's just a stock hub. Chill. It's alright. Alienation hub. Alienation rim with a Odyssey Hawk tire in 2.40. And then we got, over here, we got Shadow Ravengers, PCs, 3-piece cranks, premium, and mid-bottom bracket, 25-2 sprocket, KMC chain, and a Shadow fat seat. And if you notice something, I really like Shadow parts, so yeah, I'm probably going to get more. Another Odyssey Chase Hawk tire with a stock hub and a alienation rim again. Alright, now for my hub sound. There we go. Pretty loud for a stock hub.